Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today is 9th June. We expect Nifty to trade sideways and expect a support of 15,600 for Nifty. USA inflation data is a cause of concern which will keep the markets unpredictable. This data is likely to come tomorrow. USA inflation data is going to be on the higher side. However, markets have fallen last month because of this, and thus this news is probably already factored in the price. Bank Nifty has been underperforming, and we expect a support of 34,900. If broken, we can see further downslide in this index. Domestic institutes have been selling the banking stocks, because of which Bank Nifty is underperforming. A few stocks which you can keep eye is IT sector. We expect Tech Mahindra to do well. Auto sector, Maruti is one of the leader in the segment, and auto sector is on the roll. And moreover, the news of electrification of the vehicles and their timelines. So Maruti is one of the biggest beneficiaries. These are the stocks which you can add for the long term also. And in pharma sector, we are positive on Dr. Reddy. So you can keep an eye on these stocks and can enter for long term view. As a warning, we see that DHFL shares are being lapped up by the investors in the hope that there will be some resolution. However, it has been ruled that the shares of DHFL will be finally coming to the value of 0. We fail to understand why there is upper circuits in this stock. As an advice, keep yourself away from this stock and do not get into its buying or selling. Ultimately, as per present order, the value of DHFL shares is going to come down to 0 unless Supreme Court of India overrules the decision given by the NCLT. If you like our channel, please subscribe to it. Do share with your friends and colleagues. And remember that we are the best Bank Nifty option tips providers. We also provide stock tips and commodity tips for trading at MCX. Thank you.